students, today our working is today our topic is best paper clean. Best paper clean. Easy class. This is paper. What is this? What is this? And it's a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape paper. We need a rectangle to make a paper plane. Okay. Turn this half side into like this, and the other half side we have to turn like this. Okay. Now we have to fold it like this. Do you understand? Do you understand? Now fold it like this. One side and the other one fold it like this. Now what is this? What is this? Paper plane. Our working is? Our topic is paper plane. And this is paper plane. Understood? Okay. Now make a paper plane, baby. Make a paper plane. Acha make a paper plane. Make a paper plane. Okay. Fold the paper. Now fold this paper in a halfway. Like this, everyone. Fold this paper like this. Now the other side, fold this paper like this. Very good, very good. Now fold from the middle like this.